At HE Machine, we specialize in complete automated solutions, tailored for industries like household appliances and automotive manufacturing. Our GOGL Uncoiling Leveling Machine flattens rolled metal, preparing it for precise stamping. The NCF Feed Machine delivers materials at a stable, precise speed, ensuring efficient processing of panels and grids. With the RH high-speed punch press, we produce perforated parts swiftly and accurately, ideal for components like audio panels and car exteriors. Our ultrasonic cleaning machine ensures all metal surfaces are residue-free, meeting high industry standards. The SML Secondary Leveling Feed Machine handles advanced leveling and step punching, perfect for intricate designs. Finally, our CT Shearing Machine combines cutting and punching for consistent quality in each metal mesh product. HE Machine's innovative line enhances productivity, maintains top quality, and supports a wide range of industry needs.